बच्चों, डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप? दिस इज योर मैथ्स टीचर डॉक्टर एहतशाम नदाफ फ्रॉम सर सैयद अहमद खान उर्दू हाई स्कूल. आई वेलकम यू टू माय न्यू यूट्यूब चैनल मैथ्स सॉल्यूशन पॉइंट. तो मैं आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं, इस्तकबाल करता हूं. खुशामदी खुशामदी. The main reason for me to create this new YouTube channel Math Solution Point is to make math easy, to teach mathematics in easy way, to remove the fear of mathematics, to arouse the interest and curiosity of mathematics among the students. I am teaching mathematics syllabus of standard 8th, 9th and 10th of Maharashtra state, which will be beneficial for semi-English as well as English medium. Okay? तो बच्चों, क्या है मैथमेटिक्स सिवाय प्रैक्टिस और कंसेप्ट क्लियरिंग के? अगर आप मैथ्स समझकर खूब सॉल्व करोगे तो ये मेरा दावा है कि आपको तमाम सब्जेक्ट्स में मैथ्स में ज्यादा मार्क्स मिलेंगे. और यही तो हम कर रहे हैं, यही तो हमारा मकसद है. अब हमने तो सरे राह जला दी है रोशनी, अब जिसके जी में आए वही पाए रोशनी. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू लाइक माय एफर्ट्स, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब my channel, like and share to your friends. Okay, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you. अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों. ड्यू टू पेंडेमिक पीरियड, इस कोरोना वायरस कोविड-19 की वजह से हम सब लोग घर में लॉकडाउन हो गए हैं. तो इस लॉकडाउन की वजह से चूंकि आप 10th क्लास में गए हैं तो पढ़ाई तो शुरू करना है. तो बच्चों, लेट्स स्टार्ट द स्टडी. सो इन दिस सेशन टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन मैथमेटिक्स 2 द फर्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज सिमिलैरिटी. क्या आप तैयार हैं? तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस सेशन. ओके. Ratio of areas of two triangles. The first point is ratio of areas of two triangles. We have to take ratio of areas of two triangles. इनके एरिया का रेशियो लेकर देखना है हमें. क्या होगा? रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द बेसिस एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट्स. इसको समझने के लिए देखिए यहां पर, लुक हियर. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Okay. Now, in this triangle ABC, BC is the base. BC क्या है? Base. And perpendicular to this base, it is height. Okay. क्या कंडीशन है हाइट के लिए? It must be perpendicular to the base. Okay. इसको हाइट नहीं बोल सकते हम. तो हाइट कौन है? BC. If BC is base, then perpendicular that it is height. So say base of this is B1 and height is H1. Okay. In triangle PQR, QR is the base. Say it is B2 and perpendicular that is PS. It is height. Say it is H2. Now, in previous standard we learned area of triangle, that is 1/2 into base into height. Okay. Apply this. Apply here. Okay. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Okay. 1/2 into base into height. Similarly for area of triangle PQR, 1/2 into base into height. You can write like small b. Okay. Now 1/2 cancel. What is base of triangle ABC? It is BC. What is height of triangle ABC? It is AD. Okay. Now upon what is base of triangle QR? It is QR. What is base of triangle PQR? It is QR. And height, it is PS. Now write, instead of BC, write B1. Okay. Instead of BC, write B1. Okay. You can write like here. Instead of BC, write B1 into AD, it is H1, upon QR, it is B2, into PS, it is H2. And instead of area of triangle ABC, we can write A1 upon, instead of area of triangle PQ, we can write A2. In this way, we form a relation or a property of area of two triangle. Ratio of area of two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases and corresponding heights. This is the first point. Okay, what is ratio of area of two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases and heights. Okay, this is the first point or property of ratio of areas of two triangle. Okay, understood now? What is this? In area of triangle, it is area of triangle ABC. Yes, it is triangle ABC. It is triangle PQR. BC is the base of this triangle and AD is the height. QR is base. PS is height. So if you are writing ratio of areas of these two triangles, we are applying formula 1/2 into base into height, 1/2 into base into height, 1/2 cancel. What remains? Base. Base of first triangle, it is BC, and height of first triangle, it is AD, and base of second triangle, it is QR, and height of second triangle, it is PS. So we consider BC as B1, so we write here B1. Instead of AD, we write here H1, and instead of base QR, we write here B2, and instead of height PS, we write here H2. So we form a relation of between area of two triangle is equal to ratio of area of two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases as well as corresponding heights. Okay, this is the first point. Now first condition is there. Okay, what is the first condition? In two triangle, if height is same, in these two triangle, base are different, heights are different. Agar if it is the length of BC is 10, QR is something say 12, height is 5, here height H1 is 5, H2 is 8. B1, B2, H1, H2 all are different, but in condition 1 here what is given? Height is same. If H1 and H2 is same, what will happen? We will see. Okay, let us learn. Okay, so in this I am going to rub these two triangles. Okay, okay, I am going to draw of two triangles having same height. Okay, this is triangle ABC, this is triangle PQR. AD is the height, here again PS is the height. Here say H1 and H2 which are equal. Here base 1 is the base of first triangle, B2 base 2 is the base of second triangle. Okay, now what will happen? Let us see here. We are going to take the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Okay, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 into base into height is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Instead of writing this, just write formula from first, that is base into height, or just write base into height upon, instead of direct you write what is the base of this triangle BC into height, that is AD, upon base of triangle PQR, it is QR, into height of triangle PQR, it is PS. Now look here, we write this from the first point, that ratio of area of any two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases and heights. Okay, but here what is given? AD is equal to PS means H1 is equal to H2. Okay, here H1 is equal to H2. BC is what? B1 into AD is what? H1 upon QR is what? B2. PS is H2. But here H1 is equal to H2. So we can cancel it. Okay. So what remains? B1 upon B2. So if we take areas of any two triangle, then and their heights are same, then we can write like this: ratio of areas of these two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases only. Agar if heights are same, the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to ratio of areas of their bases. What is the point? What is the condition one? The ratio of the areas of the two triangle. The ratio of areas of two triangle with equal heights. They have equal heights. They have equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. अगर इन दोनों में हाइट सेम हो तो उनके एरियाज का रेशियो उनके बेसिस के रेशियो के बराबर होगा. अंडरस्टूड? क्या क्या समझ में आ रहा है आपको? अगर दो ट्राइंगल के क्या है कंडीशन वन, दो ट्राइंगल में अगर हाइट सेम है, H1 और H2 बराबर है, तो उनके एरिया का रेशियो उनके बेसिस के रेशियो के बराबर होगा. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न द सेकंड कंडीशन. ओके, अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू draw the figure according to second condition. If base is same. अब यहां पर let us, this one is base BC, this one is triangle ABC, है ना? So it is ABC and this one is triangle anyone QBC. Okay, in this figure, if you observe that, है ना, in this figure, okay, this is point Q. In their triangle ABC is there and triangle QBC is there. If you observe these two triangles, their bases are same. बेस इज कॉमन, हियर बेस इज कॉमन. ट्रायंगल एबीसी का बेस भी बीसी है और ट्रायंगल क्यूबीसी का बेस भी बीसी है. ओके, हाइट्स देखेंगे इनकी, ये हाइट है, से इट इज एडी, इट इज H1 और यहां से इसकी अगर हाइट लेंगे हम तो ये H2 है ना. अब क्या होता है देखेंगे. ओके, अगेन वी टेक टू ट्रायंगल्स, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle which one? QBC. Area of triangle QBC. Again we write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle QBC means from first condition, from first point, we can write like the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases and heights. But base of ABC, triangle ABC is BC and height of triangle ABC is AD. But in triangle QBC, base is BC and height is QS. Now right here like this, BC we can cancel. What remains? AD upon QS. What is AD? It is H1 upon what is QS? It is H2. So we can write like this. We can say like this: ratio of area of two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights if bases are same. If bases are same, then we can write ratio of area of two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. Okay, understood now? समझ में आपको? ऐसे दो ट्राइंगल जिनमें बेस सेम है तो उनके एरिया का रेशियो उनके हाइट्स के रेशियो के बराबर होगा. So let us read this: the ratio of the areas of two triangle with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. The ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the area of two triangle with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. This is the second condition. And one more thing is there. If in two triangles, if in two triangles it is ABC, it is say EBC, है ना? This is height AD, this is height EQ. अब इन these two triangle, अब यहाँ तो दिखाई दे रहा बेस सेम है, तो जाहिर है बेस सेम है तो उनके एरियाज हाइट्स के बराबर होंगे, हाइट्स के रेशियो के बराबर होंगे. अगर हाइट भी सेम होंगे, ये भी h ये भी h, अगर हाइट्स भी सेम होंगे यहाँ पर h1 h2 कहेंगे और वो भी सेम होंगे तो क्या होगा? हाइट भी सेम है, बेस भी सेम है, तो वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस. ये भी कैंसिल होगा तो वी कैन राइट लाइक a1 अपॉन a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 इंटू h1 अपॉन b2 इंटू h2. अगर बेस सेम है तो वी कैन राइट लाइक h1 इंटू h2. अगर हाइट भी सेम है तो 1 अपॉन 1, मतलब एरिया अपॉन, ऐसे लिख सकते हो उसको कि a1 अपॉन a2, एरिया ऑफ दिस टू इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 1, मींस देयर एरियाज आर सेम. वी लर्न some properties. What are the properties about the ratio of area of two triangle? The first property is ratio of area of two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases and corresponding heights. If height is same, the ratio of area of these two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. If bases are same, the ratio of area of these two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. We learn this, okay? हमने ये पढ़ा है. Now we are going to start the first exercise, that is practice set 1.1, and the first question is base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. The base of first triangle, one triangle is 9 and height is 5, okay? And base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Okay? दो ट्रायंगल दिए हुए हैं, दो ट्रायंगल हैं, उनके बेस और हाइट दिए हुए हैं. We have to find out ratio of areas of these two triangles. Okay. Now for first triangle, now for first triangle, what is base? B1 is equal to, base of triangle is 9, B1 is equal to 9, and height is 5, H1 is equal to 5. Okay. For second triangle, let us suppose B2 and H2. Okay. And what is the base of second triangle? Base of another triangle, that is second triangle, is 10. So we can write B2 is equal to 10. And what is height H2 of this second triangle? Height is 6. Okay. So we have information about two triangles, is their bases. We have 9 and 5, and bases and height of one triangle and base of height of another triangle. It is given in the question. What we have to do? We have to find out the ratio of areas of these two triangles. For first triangle, we can write area of first triangle, we can write A1. And for second triangle, area of second triangle, we can write A2. So, according to the first property of ratio of area of two triangle, what is that? We know that ratio of area of two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases and corresponding heights. Ratio of area of two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases and heights. Okay, understood? What we write here? Ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases and heights. Now here B1 is given, H1 is given, B2 is given, H2 is given. What is that? B1 is 9, H1 is 5, B2 is 10, H2 is 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 5 is a 5. 5 2s are 10. It is 3 into 1 3 upon 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2 4. Okay. So A1 upon A2 ratio of area of this triangle is equal to 3 upon 4 or 3 ratio 4. We can write like this. Okay. Understood? Okay. Now let us see the second question. In the given figure, BC is perpendicular to AB, AD is perpendicular to AB. This sine is perpendicular sine. Okay. Okay. What is given? BC is perpendicular to AB, AD is perpendicular to AB, BC is equal to 4, BC is equal to 4, AD is equal to 8. Then find ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADB. Now look at this figure. We observe that in these two triangles, base AB is common. Base AB same. In these two triangles, means triangle ABC and triangle ADB, here base is same. We learned the property that if in two triangles, if base is same, the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. Okay. So we can write like this. Okay. So in what is given here? BC is 4, AD is 4. So what is the statement or what is the property we have to write? The ratio of, first of all we have to write what is BC is equal to H1 is equal to 4 and AD, which is the height of second triangle, we say it as H2, it is 8. So here AB is common in between these two triangles. AB is common. है ना? Therefore, according to the property, ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. Okay? Ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights, because it is base na. AB means it is base. If base is same, then we can say that ratio of areas of these two height, these two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. When we can write like this, if base is same. Here base is same. We can write like base is same. Base is same. Okay. So we can write like, if the base is same, the ratio of areas of this two triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. So ratio of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to what? Base is same. Same base or base is same. We can write like this. Okay. If base is same, the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. That is BC upon AD. BC upon AD is equal to H1 upon H2 is equal to, what is the value of H1? 4. What is the value of H1? 4. And what is the value of H2? It is 8. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. It is 1 upon 2. Therefore, ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to 1 upon 2. Right? In the end, write like this. Okay? Not like this. Okay? I will write So just write ratio of areas of this triangle is equal to 1/2 or is equal to 1:2. Okay, understood now? In this question, what is given? Base is common. So we use the property that ratio, if the base is same, ratio of areas of these two triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. Okay? Now let us see what is the third question. In the adjoining figure, SP is perpendicular to RQ and QT is perpendicular to PR. Okay, and value of RQ, it is 6. Value of PS, it is 6. Value of RQ is 6. Value of PS is 6. PR is 12. Where is PR? PR. Value of PR is 12. Okay. Then find QT. We have to find out QT. Okay. We have to find out QT. Okay. Now, let us see what is given here. We have to find out QT. What is given here? PS is perpendicular to RQ. QT is perpendicular to PR. Okay. In this question, what is given here? In the adjoining figure, SP is perpendicular to RQ, QT is perpendicular to PR, and value of RQ is 6, value of PS is 6, also 6, PR is 12. We have to find out QT. Okay. अब हम देखेंगे बच्चों, ये क्या है? ये हाइट है, ये बेस है, ये बेस है, PR क्या बेस है और ये हाइट है. हाइट बेस, बेस हाइट. किसकी हाइट? ट्राइंगल PRQ की. ये जो हाइट है ट्राइंगल PR. अब तुम बोलेंगे कैसे, क्या पॉसिबल है? ये जो है हाइट है, इसकी कैसे क्या हाइट? अभी तो आप सर बोले कि बेस पर जो परपेंडिकुलर रहता है वो हाइट होता है. तो ये बेस तो ये है, इस पर ये परपेंडिकुलर कहाँ है? इसको आगे बढ़ाने के बाद ये PS इस पर परपेंडिकुलर है. आप पढ़ चुके हैं कि एक्यूट एंगल ट्राइंगल में है ना, बेस ऑलवेज आउटसाइड, हाइट ऑलवेज आउटसाइड, बट इन एक्यूट एंगल ट्राइंगल हाइट इज ऑलवेज इनसाइड द ट्राइंगल. ओके. यहां पर ये एक्यूट एंगल ट्राइंगल में, एक्यूट एंगल ट्राइंगल में ये बेस बाहर होगा विच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द, ये हाइट बाहर होगा विच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द बेस. बट इन एक्यूट एंगल ट्राइंगल दिस हाइट इज इनसाइड द ट्राइंगल विच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द बेस. तो यहां पर बच्चों, यहां पर ये बेस और ये हाइट है ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल PRQ, है ना, है ना. और उसी ट्राइंगल PRQ में ये बेस है और ये हाइट है. अब एक ही ट्राइंगल का अगर एरिया डिफरेंट मेथड से मालूम करेंगे तो उतना ही आएगा. इफ वी सपोज हियर RQ इज बेस एंड हाइट इज PS, एंड इफ वी सपोज PR इज बेस एंड QT इज हाइट, area will be the same. We are going to find out the area of same triangle. Okay. Now let us see how to find out QT. Okay. Area of triangle PQR. PQR is equal to 1/2 into base into height. B1 into H1. Okay. 1/2 into base. Base 1 को कहेंगे हम 6 PS. हाइट 1 सॉरी उसका बेस 1 RQ है QR और ये PS. What is the value of QR? What is the value of QR? It is 6. And what is the value of PS? It is 6. Okay. Now give equation 1. Now find out area of triangle PQR in another way. Okay. Area of triangle PQR is 1/2 into base into height. 1/2 into base into height. B2 is H2. 1/2 into base PR. Now base is changed. PR H2 QT. Now what is the value of PR? It is 12. QT it is, we have to find out. Okay. Equation 2. अब बच्चों मुझे बताओ area of same triangle is equal to 1/2 into 6 into 6. Area of same triangle is equal to 1/2 into 12 into QT. Area of same triangle must be same. So from 1 and 2 we can write 1/2 into 6 into 6 is equal to 1/2 into 12 into QT. Cancel this 1/2. 6 6 are 12. 6 6 are 36 is equal to 12 into QT. Therefore, QT is equal to 36 upon 12. 12 is 12. 12 3s are 36. Therefore, QT is equal to 3. Value of QT is 3. कैसे मालूम किया हमने? एक वही ट्रायंगल है बट कभी उसको बेस RQ लेने के बाद उसका हाइट PS हो जाता है तो उसका एरिया ये आता है. फिर वही ट्रायंगल PQR का बेस जब चेंज करते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ QR वी टेक PR एज अ बेस. तो यहां पर कायदा बेस PR है तो उसके ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर उसका हाइट होगा तो 1/2 इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. उस तरह से हमने मालूम किया. समझ में आया? आपको बात समझ में आई? एक ही ट्रायंगल PQR में हमने पहले इसको बेस कहा तो उस पर परपेंडिकुलर ये हाइट है तो उसका एरिया क्या हुआ 1/2 इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट B1 इंटू H1 दैट इज 1/2 इंटू 6 इंटू 6 इंटू 6. उसी ट्रायंगल PQR में हमने क्या किया? इसको बेस बोला तो उस पर तो जो परपेंडिकुलर वो हाइट हो गया. करेक्ट? तो 1/2 इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट दैट इज 1/2 इंटू 12 इंटू QT. 1/2 इंटू 12 इंटू QT. अब है तो दोनों एक ही ट्रायंगल के एरिया. दोनों ये जो दोनों हैं एक ही ट्रायंगल के एरिया तो दे मस्ट बी इक्वल. तो उनको इक्वेट करो. यहां इक्वेट किया गया. दिस वन इज इक्वल टू दिस वन. दिस वन इज इक्वल टू दिस वन. 1/2 इंटू 6 इंटू 6 इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू 12 इंटू QT. तो यहां पर बच्चों 1/2 कैंसिल. 6 6 are 36. 12 इंटू QT एज इट इज. फिर हमने क्या किया? QT इज इक्वल टू 36 अपॉन 12. It is 3. Answer is 3. Understood now? यहाँ करना क्या है? वही ट्रायंगल PQR का एरिया दो अलग अलग मेथड से मतलब दो अलग अलग मेथड से निकालकर कभी QR को बेस तो यह हाइट बन गया. कभी PR को बेस तो यह हाइट बन गया. तो दोनों को इक्वेट करके हम QT फाइंड आउट किए वो 3 आ गया. ओके? अंडरस्टूड? ओके? We can solve this example with another method also. Okay, what is that? Let us see. We have to find out QT. Okay, we have to find out QT. Area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR upon area of the same triangle PQR is equal to, according to the first property, ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of the product of their bases and heights. We can write, first of all, write area of triangle PQR, consider it as a base. So QR base into height. Height of this base is PS. And if you consider base of triangle PQR PR, base PR and height of this base is QT. Okay. Now triangle is same, so the ratio will be 1/1 or 1:1. You know that 2/2, 5/5. The answer is 1/1. Okay. So here the numerator and denominator is same. So after cancellation, answer will be 1/1. So we can write 1/1. What is the value of QR? It is 6. What is the value of PS? It is 6. What is the value of PR? It is 12. What is the value of QT? So make a cross multiplication. Okay, this one into this one, this one into this one. Make a cross multiplication. Okay, 1 into 12 into QT is equal to 1 into 6 into 6. Okay, what happened? 12 ones are 12 into QT is equal to 6 6 are 36 are 36. Okay, therefore QT is equal to 36 upon 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 3s are 36. 3 upon 1 means 3. Therefore QT is equal to how much? 3. Understood? इस तरह हमने QT मालूम किया सेकेंड मेथड से. ओके, व्हाट इज सेकंड मेथड? हमने फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी का इस्तेमाल किया, रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू रेशियो ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग बेसिस एंड हाइट्स. Okay, with the help of this we find out QT. Okay, you can take a snapshot if you want. Okay, over. Now in the first question here we find ratio of areas of these two triangle A1 upon A2 where B1 H1 B2 H2 is given. Before this we have to write a statement here. What is the statement? Ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to ratio of product of their bases and heights. Okay, because if you not write the statement, proper statement, then you will lose the marks. And remember that this similarity chapter has very important role in your board examination. So many examples will ask from this chapter. Okay, and from practice set 1.1 inshallah there will be one example in your board examination. Okay, so be prepared for this. Okay, so solve these example and understand the concept of how to solve this example using various properties. Okay, now we are going to solve the next example. अच्छा बच्चों, question 4. What is question 4? In adjoining figure, AP is perpendicular to BC, AD is parallel to BC, then find area of triangle ABC ratio area of triangle BCD. What we have to do? We have to find out the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Okay, what is given? AP is perpendicular to BC and also line AD is parallel to line BC. क्या दिया हुआ है? ये दो लाइंस पैरेलल हैं. समझ में बात? These two lines are parallel. Okay. Now what we have to do then? We have to find out the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Okay. AD is parallel to BC. Then what can we say? AD is parallel to BC. Then I explained before this, मैंने इससे पहले भी एक बात बताई थी कि distance between two parallel line is always same. So these two lines are parallel and these two triangles ABC and BCD lie in between two parallel line. क्या मतलब फिर? ये पैरेलल लाइन है, ये दो ट्राइंगल इन दो पैरेलल लाइन के इन बिटवीन है, तो उनके हाइट सेम होंगे. उनके हाइट सेम होंगे. इसका हाइट AP है, सपोज ये कोई और है D, तो ये दोनों हाइट सेम होंगे. क्यों? कि पैरेलल लाइन के जो फासला है, डिस्टेंस है, वो हर जगह एक जैसा होता है. Therefore AP is equal to D. Therefore AP is equal to D. Therefore in these two triangles the heights are same. It is parallel to BC. Therefore triangle ABC. Therefore in triangle ABC and BCD, triangle BCD, height is same. Height is same because these two lines are parallel. These two triangles lie between these two parallel lines. Therefore, height is same. Therefore, according to the property, ratio of areas of these two triangles must be equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Let us see what will happen. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to their bases. Oh, BC upon BC. Here BC is common. Here you have to write the statement. You have to write the statement. What is the statement? I told you the ratio of areas of these two triangles having same height is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Base of this triangle is also BC. Base of this triangle is also BC. So if we cut BC, what will remain 1/1 means 1:1 means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD have ratio 1/1 means their areas are same. Area of we have to find out ratio of between these two triangles, that is 1:1. इसके आगे अगर हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो इनके एरिया सेम आएंगे, this one into this one, this one into this one. Therefore when two triangles have equal heights and equal base, common base, then their areas are equal. What does it mean? What does it mean? It means that their areas are equal. What does mean? Area of triangle ABC ratio area of triangle BCD is equal to 1:1 means their areas are equal. Their areas are equal. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BCD. Understood now? इसके आगे हम ये लिख सकते हैं, but we have to find out only ratio of these two triangles, that is 1/1 or 1:1. Area of triangle ABC ratio area of triangle BCD is equal to 1:1. This is the answer. Okay. Now let us see question number 5. What is this? What is the question? In the adjoining figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC and AD is perpendicular to BC. Then find following ratios. We have to find these 4 ratios. Okay, we have to find out the ratio of areas of these two triangles using 3 different properties which are based on areas of ratio of area of two triangles. Okay, now let us observe the first example. Let us observe that these two triangles in this figure. Okay, area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. First of all, look at the figure, find out where is triangle PQB. This one is the triangle PQB. And where is triangle PBC? PQB or PBC. In these two triangles, height is same. अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ये ऐसे ट्राइंगल हैं. देखो, ये एक ट्राइंगल है PBC, उसी में एक और एक ट्राइंगल है PQB. ओके, अब यहां पर ट्राइंगल PBC में हाइट PQ है, ट्राइंगल PQB में हाइट PQ है. Therefore these two triangles are of equal heights. Okay, these two triangles are of equal heights. समझ में आई बात आपको? अब यहां पर देखो दूसरी बात, if two triangles are such that their vertex is same, common, and their bases lie on same line, thereafter their bases must be same. क्या कह रहा हूं मैं? अगर दो ट्राइंगल में वर्टेक्स कॉमन है और उनके बेसेस सेम लाइन पे लाई कर रहे हैं तो उनके हाइट सेम होते हैं. या फिर जो दिख रहा है कि ट्राइंगल PQB का हाइट PQ है, उसका बेस ये है, ट्राइंगल PBC का हाइट PQ है और उसका बेस BC है, तो ये इक्वल हाइट वाले हैं, तो उनके रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल मस्ट बी इक्वल टू रेशियो ऑफ देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग बेसेस. ओके, so here in triangle PQB and PBC they have same height, triangle of same height, है ना? तो triangle PQB and triangle PBC have same height. Therefore the property, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratios of their corresponding bases. ओके, यहां पर अगर मैं ऐसे लिखूं, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQB is equal to area of triangle upon PBC is equal to what is the base of PQB? BQ into height of this triangle PQ upon area of triangle PBC in triangle PBC. Base is BC and height is again PQ. So PQ is cancelled. So what remains? BQ upon BC. So answer is, what is the answer? BQ upon BC. Okay. So ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to BQ upon BC because these two triangles have same height. So we write the statement having property that if the two triangles have same height, then ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Now let us see the second example. Let us see where is triangle PBC. PBC. Here is the triangle PBC and triangle ABC. ABC. PBC ABC. क्या देखा आपने, क्या ऑब्जर्व किया आपने? यहां दोनों ट्राइंगल में बेस सेम है ना, BC BC सेम बेस सेम है ना. सो इन ट्राइंगल PBC एंड PBC, ट्राइंगल PBC एंड ट्राइंगल ABC have same base. Thereafter you have to write the statement of property. Which property? Having same base. If two triangles have same base, then the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. Therefore, area of triangle PBC, I wrote here the property, which is a statement, which is called statement. So it is necessary to write the statement here, otherwise you will lose the marks. What is the statement? The ratio of areas of, here base is same, therefore we can apply here the property that ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. Okay, क्योंकि base same है यहाँ. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PBC is upon area of triangle ABC is equal to their corresponding heights. PBC की हाइट कौन है? PQ. ABC में हाइट कौन सी है? AD है ना, AD. So this is the required answer. Before this you have to write the statement like this. Okay. Now the third one. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. First of all, this is triangle ABC, the biggest one, ABC, and triangle ADC, ADC, ABC, ADC. ABC has height AD and a triangle ADC also have same height. Therefore, these two triangles are of same height. मैंने क्या कहा था? अगर दोनों ट्राइंगल का बेस एक ही लाइन में है, ये DC ट्राइंगल ADC का हाइट बेस है और ये BC ट्राइंगल ABC का बेस है और दोनों में एक वर्टेक्स कॉमन है, तो ऐसी सूरत में दोनों के हाइट सेम रहते हैं. तो these two triangles are of same height. तो ट्राइंगल दोनों के क्या है? सेम हाइट है ना. These two triangles have same height. These two triangles have same height है ना. Triangle ABC and triangle ADC have same height. So according to the property, the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. अगर यहां पर हाइट सेम है दोनों के, तो उनके एरिया का रेशियो उनके बेसिस के रेशियो के बराबर होगा. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC, what? Their bases, their height is common. Therefore, ratio of these two triangles must be equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. ABC का base क्या होगा? BC. And what is the base of triangle ADC? It is DC. Understood? After writing this statement or property, we can write directly this one. Okay. Now the fourth one. What is the fourth one? Area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. PQC. अब देखो ये है गॉट इट. PQC कहाँ है? यहाँ है. ADC कहाँ है? यहाँ है. क्या पता चला आपको? By observing PQC and ADC हमको पता चला कि ये दोनों ट्राइंगल में हाइट सेम नहीं है, बेस भी कॉमन नहीं है और सेम भी नहीं है. तो ऐसी सूरत में we have to use to find out the ratio of these two triangles, we have to use the first property, that is ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of the product of their corresponding bases and height. Okay. क्या है? देखो, they have the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding ratio of product of their corresponding base and height. अब क्या है बच्चों, यहां देखो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एडीसी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पीक्यूसी, दोनों में कुछ कॉमन नहीं है, ना हाइट ना बेस. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एडीसी का बेस क्या है? एडीसी का बेस क्या है? डीसी. उसका हाइट क्या है? एडी. अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पीक्यूसी में बेस क्या है? क्यूसी. इनटू हाइट क्या है? पीक्यू. हो गया. So in this way we solve this question number 5, and we complete the practice set 1.1. Okay.